Okay, now without much further ado, what I wanted to do in the activity just now was to get you to focus on the thinking and the process of getting to the answer rather than focusing on solving it and then typing out the answer itself. Now, I would like you to first thing you do for the set of worksheet in front of you for page 27, circle the calculator. Go to the next page, circle the calculator. Can you find how many calculators are there on your worksheet now? Okay? Okay, see how many calculator questions are there in this set of word problems. Test. Okay. Right. So I repeat myself, the purpose of the first activity was to get you to think about the process of solving the problem, but not so much of the problem itself. I'm circling all the questions that involve the calculator, and then I'm going to ask you after that what's for the calculator. Now, do not start solving any question. That's not the purpose of today's activity. Yeah. So, have you found out how many calculators are there? I've got different answer one. Are you sure you're holding the same worksheet? Okay. My next question. I want you to tell me on the very first page, right, that we are having this worksheet, the level 1 worksheet. Okay. Page 27. Can you tell me why do you think that question 27 is a calculator, but question 1 is good to me? Page 27. On this page, question 3 is a circle with calculator, but question 1, 2 doesn't have a calculator. Yeah, I know it's like that. The second one is all. Then. Thank you very much, Christabel. I said that is correct. Because we have learned 1 can is 20.4 kilo. Sorry, my mistake. Okay. Do not rush. Okay, so this is the question that I talked about just now. So we know 15 cans is 20.4 kilogram. And to find 1 can, we just take 20.4 divided by 15. This is different from the question just now. Right? Now, and then Christabel, I correctly identified why is there this calculator here? Because we didn't learn this. We have learned divide by 10. We have learned divide by 50. We have learned divide by 500, but we didn't learn divide by 50. So it is not expected of you to know how to do divide by 50. Okay? It's almost not going to be very possible for you to do the long division for this as well. So this question is not testing you on whether you can divide this. So all you need to do is to punch the calculator and then fill in answer. Divide by 10, divide by 5, what would that be? Remember? If you do divide by 10, then you divide by 50, then you're actually dividing by 50, not 50. So that's not correct either. So now practice punching the calculator. Can you punch 20.4 divided by 50? One point 1.36. Skylar, by pressing the calculator, the answer is already here. Yeah. So this question will appear in paper 2. Thank you very much. You need to be very aware. This question will it appear in paper one? No, it wouldn't. So in the exam time, if such a question appears, how long should you spend on this question? 1 minute. 30 seconds a bit too fast. Because do you see what happened to me just now? I wrote times just now. It was too fast. It was a different question. So you need to be very careful. 1 minute or so, 2 minutes or so for this question in paper 2 is different. But if you want to think about start using, hello? No. Please pay attention. So I am recording here, please. If you think that smell can help you focus, then you smell, go ahead. But if you realize that the smell is distracting you from what you should do, then you need to ignore the smell. There's no need to investigate where the smell comes from. Okay, so we had this question, right? And yes, you're right. So most of us got this. And she asked me, so am I supposed to draw a rope? Yeah, why not? If drawing a rope helps you, then who was it who asked, am I supposed to draw a rope? It was Skylar? Oh, so yeah, if it helps you, why not? So P will be 2.4 meters plus 0.85 meters. And Tershi reminds you, please have your Tershi sends a friendly reminder to everyone. Please remember the units is in meters. And what is the reminder for doing addition? The working, align the decimal place. Add additional zeros if you need. That's okay. Page 27, the first page. Now, so question 1 and question 2 are not calculator questions. Which paper will it appear? Paper 1. But how long can you spend on this? About 2 minutes too. That's correct. That's a very good estimation. 1 or 2 minutes, that's a good fair estimation. But you need to know, it will be testing you whether you are able to subtract and add correctly. So, what do you mean model? Yeah. So this is like a 2 marks question. So the dress cost will be how much? $100 minus the change, there's $38.10. Okay, very okay. Am I going too fast? We're moving already forward. I can't really see, it's a bit tiny, but we'll check it later. Yep. Oh, one point to note as well, if it's got to do with money, you make sure that after the dollar sign and the decimal point, please make sure that you have decimal point, 2 decimal places. Some of you tend to write 0.9 and then you forgot about, and then you may forget about adding the 0 at the back here. So this 0 here at the back is important because it's money. Okay, moving on. Okay, moving on. One card is 0.75 cents. And just now I said there's some cards, that's 34 cards that Tershi is going to buy. So it's 34 times 0.75. May I ask again, do I need to do the working here? Need or not? No need. No need. Calculator, please. Attention on how to use the calculator. Yes, but it will be helpful if you can learn how to press the calculator. You can use tens, no problem. But it'll be helpful you can use the if you know how to press for decimals and you can get the answer. Okay, these are fairly okay, right? Next one. A length is a certain centimeter. The breadth is the certain centimeter. So the area will be the length times breadth. Kashi, what will be the units, please? Area. Yes, thank you. Good. Okay, my focus is on how do you manage your thinking process through this? How do you present your answers in a neat manner? And how can you ensure you don't forget your units? Right, that was almost 6 questions in 10 minutes. Pretty okay, right? Comfortable? So this page all calculated questions. Are you able to press confidently? Yeah. Okay, so these kind of questions that will appear usually in paper 2, section A. And then you see, can press, right? Calculator press 2 marks, 2 marks, 2 marks. Okay, you feel confident in these questions? Okay, so 28 people shares 7,945. So one person will take this amount and again, like what Christabel said, we have not learned how to do division by 28. And you are not expected to know how to do it. Okay, feeling good so far? Level 1 questions. So we really spent about like 10, 15 minutes and we finished 6 questions. Again, I emphasize number 1, how do you ensure that you think through the question properly? How do you present your workings in a manner that can lead your thinking and in a manner that if I need to check, I know where my mistakes. And then how can I not forget the units? Because every unit forgotten is half a mark. Okay, if you are ready, all right, I'm going to jump question. Done? I'm not going now I'm going to spend the last 8 minutes on the difficult question. Is it okay? Yeah. Is it okay? Okay, then I will say that please take note page 29 as homework DIY. Wednesday. Tomorrow is just health check. So tomorrow's homework is ALS as well as this one. If you don't know how to do, please go to Kubis and check how to can multiply, revise your multiple division. You understand? Okay, tomorrow there's health check. Please be in your PE attire. Benson, Summer, and Dina, please remember where your PE attire tomorrow. Okay, it's health check. Okay, I'm going to jump to a typical question. If you're ready, I'm going to go through this question at level 3. It's about Jenny's saving money. Find the question. Yeah, I repeat one more time. Your homework is page 29, question 1 and 2, level 2 questions. Give it a try. Question 1 and 2. Okay, page 29. Yes. Sorry? For version worksheet, oh, tomorrow I can collect it. Thank you very much. That's correct. I should give you a star. You're the first. Why not? Oh, yeah, you should get a star too. You should get a star for your kindness achievement. What's your name? Yeah, congratulations for your kindness achievement. Let's. Because that's you're gonna be something to be the first, right? To answer, right? Yeah. Was it a difficult thing to earn? No lah. Yeah. I look forward to Pranavika earning one on Thursday because you're going to record a video explaining the book problem. Yeah. Yes. Okay. And Chrisabel too. And maybe Shashing as well. On Thursday, you're going to record. Yeah, why not? On Flip. You put on Flip, and then after that, I'll move the video to my channel. Yeah, then I'll write featuring. You do notice your video is on my channel already, right? Yeah. And I featuring Pranavika. Hey, your ratings are going up quite high. No? Your views number. Yeah. Yeah, in class. On the planning the time. Okay. Right. Are you okay? So you found page 35. It's a calculated question. It's about Jenny saving money. Right. I'll read the question and I'll get started solving it. We have 4 more minutes to go. I'm sure we can solve it within about 4 minutes. There's 2 ways. One way called the Ryan way, and one way called the Skylar way. Yeah. What are you talking about? Based on the last few review tests that Skylar and Ryan has completed, yeah, you're right. Okay. Ryan will get a check and then he will list a lot. Okay. That's one way. And then Skylar will go by groupings. It seems like so. So I want to write down, combine their ideas that they used previously. So Jenny saved 40 cents every day, but this is limited to Mondays and Fridays. She saved $1 each on Saturday and Sunday. So to help me to understand this better, I'm going to write down Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Saturday, Sunday. And then it's 40 cents every day. And until Friday. And then this is $1 and this is $1. Yeah. Okay, so from here, first I must find. So one weekday is 40 cents. So 5 weekdays, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 weekdays. Will be how much? Someone said $2, is it? Okay, I think that's correct. 40 cents times 5 is 20. I mean, for $2. Okay. So 1 week is how much? So it says here that from Monday onwards, so from Monday onwards, okay? Huh? Huh? Oh, okay. So there are two ways get and check. If I do it the Ryan way, right, it probably be, okay, so I go week 1 is 7 days, right? Altogether 7 days. Altogether 7 days. So week 1, $4. 2 plus 2, right? That's 1 whole week. Week 2, I can continue to list like that. Week 3, like that. If not, how? Okay, dot. Tasha immediately says 7 weeks. Is it 7 weeks? How do you know 7 weeks? I think it's something like that. How? So you can do guess and check. I can list like a Ryan like that, but it may not be very helpful because you go on and on and on. Are you on the same question? Yeah, I see you like flip a lot. So I'm like, are you at the same question? Yes, can. Okay? Yes. Okay. Another way is I could guess by a table, like how Skylar drew a table. But let me just go with this method first. So I can choose by, okay, so altogether I take 30 divided by 4. $4 a week. This total divided by each week. That will give me 7. Remainder 2. Yeah, correct. So it will be 7 weeks and 2 days. So altogether how many days? I know, 15 weeks. Huh? 7 weeks and 2 more days. So how many days is that? The answer asks for how many days? The unit is days. Yes, that's correct. 7 times 7 plus 2. That is correct. Okay, yeah, so each week is $4. So altogether you get 7 weeks and then remainder 2. So 7 weeks is 7 times 7, then I plus 2. That is 49 plus 2, so it's 51 days. So I use by grouping. This is the other method. Grouping by weeks. One group being $4. Alternatively, I could do it by guess and check. Okay, I guess how many weeks. I draw a table. 5 weeks, how much will it be? 3 weeks, how much will it be? Or day by day, how much will it be? But I think guess and check might be a bit tricky. You might make mistakes because the weekdays and weekends are different. They are not. You don't save the same money every day. So that's where the mistakes can come. Alternatively, you can list what Christabel is doing. She do it by accumulative. So week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, week 5, 20, week 6, 24, week 7, 28. Then need to get 30, right? Plus Monday, Tuesday. Sorry, not Monday, Tuesday. Oh, plus. Plus Monday, Tuesday. Plus all the weekdays, sorry. Okay, plus another set of weekday. Plus $2. Did I make a mistake? It looks a bit weird. Hmm. Oh, okay. Let's stop here first. I feel something amiss in this question. Let me go back and look at it. Okay, we pause here first. If there's a mistake in this, we'll come back to this again, okay? I feel something is amiss here in the remainder. Okay, but let's take a look at it again next lesson, okay? Do you remember your homework? Okay. Hey guys, where's your badge? Where? In school? Okay. In school, guys, it's in school, is it? Our school. Okay, all the best, See you later.
The back, what back?
I think